This is the PS Tools Maxi lathe, or the MC 1100. 43 inches of bed, cast iron frame, and as a variable speed lathe with a digital readout. So as you can see, when I turn it on, we have a display of the speed, and there are 6 speed settings that can be handled easily through the control handle. One of the features of the PS Tools Maxi lathe is the ability to move the headstock so that you can turn over the front of the lathe. I'll show you how that's done. Simply by adjusting this twist pin here and loosening it, we're able to now pull this pin and adjust the headstock around. The pin locks in position, allowing you to turn over the front of the lathe. The tool rest has an adjustable arm which extends the tool rest out to enable you to turn over the front of the lathe.